Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can unprivate your TikTok account. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can unprivate your TikTok account, so make sure to stick with me till the end. First things first, make sure you have updated the TikTok app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store. In the search box, type in TikTok and go ahead and tap on the TikTok app in order to update the app to the latest version. Once you've updated TikTok, I'm going to simply go ahead and then open the TikTok app on my phone. As soon as you open it, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. What you have to do is, from the very bottom right corner, you can see that profile icon. All you have to do is basically tap on that profile icon. As soon as you tap on your profile icon and go to your profile page, what you have to do is, again, on the top right hand side, you can see those three horizontal lines. Simply tap on those three horizontal lines icon, and at the bottom of the screen you want to go ahead and select settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options, and at the very top, at the second option, you'll find this option which says privacy in the log icon. All you have to do is basically simply tap on the privacy button. As soon as you tap on privacy, at the very top you can see this label that says private account, and in order to unprivate your TikTok account, you want to make sure to simply turn that toggle off, which is highlighted in green. So you can see that this toggle is currently highlighted in green. You have to simply tap on it once, and then it will ask whether you want to switch to a public account. All you have to do is simply tap on the switch button which you see at the bottom of the screen. As soon as you do that, you would have successfully unprivated your TikTok account. Now everyone else will be able to follow you, send your requests, and view, like, and comment on your videos. And this was the easy way on how you can unprivate your TikTok account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.